extra light. That's it for this episode of kpopRC. Don't forget to give me a sub below. Also, huge shout out goes to Brett at Strictly Sideways. Also, huge shout out goes to the Drift Goons crew. Also, huge shout out goes to the dude who let me use his Mavic Mini. Please give him a sub on Instagram. The link is below, but it is the_real_anti-friction. He's got some cool stuff on his Insta. Check him out and give him a sub. If you are waiting for the Cletus McFarlane build that is coming, I'm trying my best to get it out midweek. I'm thinking Tuesday, but I don't know. I've got a lot of stuff done. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been heavily working on the Ford GT 500 body. It looks pretty sweet, and it fits real nice in the Crown Vic. So yeah, give me a sub if you're interested in that. And boom, I'm gonna go. Oh no, I got a beer. I got a fresh one right here. Cheers, boys. Hope you like the drift content. Let me know in the comments below if you like these videos. They're easier for me to pump out than full drift builds that require me 3D modeling things and getting things to work. But yeah, stay tuned for that Cletus McFarlane build. We build the chassis this episode, and we figure out how to get the front wheels to stop. Also, big shout out goes to Super Scale 2020 for sending me the coolest unit that fakes more inertia and mass in models and gives the body more roll and get it to sort of act like a real one-to-one car, because let's face it, these models are super light and super small, and just the laws of physics are not the same as a one-to-one, and to get them to look really right, you kind of have to influence the momentum and what happens to that suspension with more mass. So yeah, super cool. Check out Superscale 2020. Check out his website. He just released a new firmware specifically for crawling, which makes the crawlers look just look real. Like the suspension just looks real. So yeah, wicked. Thanks for watching, dudes, and cheers. Cheers to beers. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Wicked. K-pop out.